Ah! Hi,
I'm
David.
and
I'm
Cameron.
and
We
are.
songwriters.
First time Cameron and I met, he had just played the biggest showcase, and after the show, I was like, oh my gosh, this is my chance to go up to Cameron and say, wow, you did amazing, my name's David.
I don't even remember meeting you.
But it didn't go that way, so I went up to him, I was like, yo, Cam, I'm David, you did really good. I saw him, he didn't see me until I became more glamorous.
He had to kind of glam up.
Do you trust each other to shop for your dream music studio?
1, 2, 3. No.
Kind of. My style is
Kind of like barista-y.
hot color pops.
I wouldn't say all the way hipster.
Walk into pretty much any coffee shop.
I mean, he rides a bike and drinks coffee. Come on.
Cameron's style is very,
Organized.
a lot of blacks, whites, maybe a little pop of red here and there.
I wouldn't say vintage, I would say retro.
I think I have a better design style than Cameron.
My style is 100% better than Dave's, yeah.
First off, he needs a place where he feels like he's in control of a ship. He's gonna take that ship to the #1 charts. I wanna start with the main control board, which is gonna be his desk. Oh, now we're talking.
I feel like it's something I would have in a small studio. I like it.
Ooh, but I can change the color. That's so easy. This guy is going in the cart. But what good is a desk without a comfortable chair? I like this guy. It's a very good chair. It looks comfortable and it can roll, so he's gonna be sitting in there all day.
No, it's got armrests, my guitar.
Add to cart. Now I'm going to the couches. Cameron does like comfort. I'm gonna go here. It's gonna have some pull-ups, which is nice. And then Cameron can tell you about how to solve your problems. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get a rug. I kinda like this one. It's got some gray in it.
Yeah, that gray and white rug would look great with a gray couch, Dave.
I feel like I'm picking good things. I just need to stay on track.
I feel like it's pretty random.
I see your face and you're feeling the same way, I know. One piece at a time. Let's get him like a cool clock. Let's move forward here. Does that have a charger on it? Yikes.
What's he even talking about?
Now we're gonna get a coffee table.
Ooh.
That's what I'm talking about. Now
Yes.
that's a Cameron coffee table. I mean, the next big hit could come because of Wayfair and this coffee table with a cooler of ideas. So I am going to go with this recliner that I saw.
No!
It's got the little pull-ups. He's gonna love this.
Hey, how about you go back and pick the other one?
How do you think you did?
Not good. I panicked. He's gonna do a lot better.
Since I saw him go first, I kind of got a good sense of what he did wrong and what I can do right. He started with a desk. I think he just wants something unique or something cool looking, you know?
See how hard it gets.
I feel like he would like something like this. Just enough for him to have his computer and his coffee and his Bible.
It's a cool desk. I do like that desk.
So he needs a chair, I guess, for that desk. Green, I think he loves like that forest green color.
No.
Oh, here's a cool one. I think it fits with the desk really well. The black with the wood tones.
Yeah.
I'm kind of going for this vibe that's like bourbon lounge. Oh, this is cool.
Ooh.
Oh, it's velvet.
I love
A
that.
velvet couch in forest green.
Oh, why green?
It's gonna look so cool. Think of like the Great Gatsby kind of a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the cart.
I mean, a new couch is a new couch. I ain't gonna complain about it.
Oh, this bar cart's great. This is exactly what a Dave room that I would want to go to would be like.
Yeah.
I need a rug.
That one!
Oh.
That one!
This
Yes!
would be badass.
Woo! You hear me?
It's got so much character in it.
It's got lots of character. Yellow, green, Very cool.
Well, I'm actually really excited about this.
I'm excited about that too. Oh, thank God he got that.
I do need a chair. Someone needs a comfortable chair while he's talking too much. Yes, that's perfect. That looks like a bourbon
That is
lounge
perfect.
type vibe.
He's
I
crushing.
think that would be
Wow.
awesome in there. It's like a leather, like kind of bourbon brown color.
He knows me. I failed him.
So I'm gonna add this to the cart.
Add it.
That is perfect. Yeah, we're gonna need a coffee table. So it's an end table and a coffee table. The coffee table is very minimal, so you can still see that rug. This is literally too easy.
That is easy.
I didn't know I was gonna love doing this so much.
I'd give him a 10. 10 out of 10. I won.
What do you mean?
I won.
I won.
No, I won.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Because I got the studio I wanted.
I would love to write songs in that space.
Oh yeah.
I was trying to think of like in your space, the type of stuff we would write would be completely different than in my space.
Right. The title of the song we're gonna write in my writer's room is Whiskey Neat. Man, you know that girl is sweet.
And she drinks her whiskey neat.
I'd get down on one knee.
Ask that girl to marry me. But the day she broke my heart
Was the day I said I'd never leave.
that's why I'm sitting in this bourbon room drinking.
Whiskey neat.
Yeah.
Cheers. Just hit me up for the licensing. I'll get it for it.